Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn ukulele at home for beginners. First, select a ukulele that fits you. Soprano, concert, or tenor are great choices. Next, tune your instrument accurately using a digital tuner, ensuring the strings are G, C, E, and A. Then focus on mastering the four fundamental chords: C, G, A minor, and F. These chords are the building blocks for countless songs and will give you a strong foundation to begin your musical journey. Once you have your chords down, focus on technique. Ensure your fretting hand forms a clear arch, pressing firmly just behind the fret for a clean sound. Experiment with basic strumming patterns, such as a simple down, down, up, down, up, to find your rhythm. Incorporate a metronome into your practice sessions. Starting slowly at 60 beats per minute will significantly improve your timing and consistency, making your playing sound much more polished. Consistency is key to progress. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. Short, regular sessions are more effective than long, infrequent ones. Explore the vast array of free online tutorials and chord charts available for popular songs. Many resources offer step-by-step guidance. Additionally, try recording yourself playing. Listening back can reveal subtle mistakes and help you refine your technique, accelerating your learning process. As you progress, challenge yourself by learning new chords like D or B flat and more intricate strumming patterns. Playing along with your favorite songs is an excellent way to apply what you've learned and make practice enjoyable. Consider joining an online ukulele community. Connecting with other learners can provide motivation, valuable tips, and a sense of shared progress. Most importantly, remember to have fun and enjoy the process of making music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.